Feel the thrill of building a real dinosaur with your own hands.
Dad, now let's build the Tyrannosaurus.
It's easy to fit the wooden pieces together to build the magnificent and powerful Tyrannosaurus Rex. But then, mighty dinosaurs also come to life. It'll be like jumping into the dinosaur era. TX reacts to sounds. It roars. It moves. It's also sensitive to light. Now Triceratops is approaching. T-Rex hears it roaring and quickly reacts. You are in control of your T-Rex. You can move it in any direction. Discover the Apatosaurus and the Stegosaurus too. Come to know the giants of the dinosaur era. You don't believe it?